All right, the last day here of cleaning up, I think. Today we'll hopefully be finishing this up, removing all the tiles, removing all the rubbish. Then we'll be done with the basement and hopefully we can get to cleaning properly with a machine. Also, this is the coal storage that I was talking about earlier. Couldn't really see, but we put a light there, so obviously you can see now. This leads to outside, and presumably that's where they would have put all the coal into here for storage. It's a nice little circular room, which we might use as a wine cellar of sorts. That might be cool. It is getting quite full in here. An actual dump place. But temporary though, because I think even this room could be quite a nice room. Alright, wine cellar done. Most of this room is now empty. There's an interesting door there, interesting steel door. But other than that, nothing spectacular. It is clean-ish. Definitely compared to what it was. Obviously this shit has to go as well. So it's not done yet, but it's definitely a start. Also, let's take a look at that thingy. Oh, okay. So most likely this was the old chimney. So the old furnace used to be here. You see the pipe going straight up. So the idea was to maybe put some the water, the main water supply, as well as the electricity through this chimney up, and then split it every level. But we'll see if we'll be able to use it. Ah, fuck. Probably that chimney runs all the way up here to the roof terrace. So now we're gonna check if I can hold the light up here and Dad can see it downstairs. Oi, mate! Oi, oi! Alright, that's a definitive yes. This pipe is connected from here all the way down to the basement. Alright, next room. This is one that we need to do as well, but we only need to get out this one. And the last one, also this fridge, needs to go. And then the servant's entrance. Long arms there. So this is the servant's entrance with this closet, which was full of rubbish. Such a mess.
Before we move on, there's this tile which is a bit loose. Now let's see if I can see what's wrong, maybe potentially hopefully fix it. These are the red tiles that were originally here.
And I think
These are actually the ones that were laid
all throughout the basement.
I think this one is loose and that one is loose as well. So there's these three that sort of need to come out.
Alright, that's that. The tiles are out and the rest feels quite solid. We need to remove this adhesive and then buy a new one, put the tiles back in. That is, however, not for today, so we continue with the last bit, and that is in the kitchen. Okay, we've opened up this chimney to the outside. This also runs straight up to the terrazzo, to the roof terrace. Last thing I want to do is open this food elevator. So at least we have semi-finished this basement. We thought we had covered every room, but there is one more kitchen upstairs, which connects to this food elevator actually, that still has a lot of rubbish, a lot of cleaning, so that's a bit of a bummer, but almost finished, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to start cleaning with that machine. Last thing, opening up the food elevator. Alright, so the previous owners have boarded up this entrance to to the food elevator. I have absolutely no idea what it looks like. It must be rusty because it's been standing here for years. No? Okay.
Mooi.
Nice. Alright, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue cleaning and hopefully we'll get round to cleaning with that machine. Yeah, otherwise it's the day after. So, see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.